So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make game pass on Roblox. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com. So once you just tap on it, roblox.com, so it will take you to first of all login page if you haven't login yet in your browser with your username and password. Once you log in, it will take you to this login home page. And now once you reach the home page, you have to tap on three dot if you are using Chrome browser in Android phone. So just enable this desktop side mode. If you are using iPhone, then you have to enable you can enable the desktop mode in Safari by tapping on smallest A and capital A icon. Just tap on it and enable the desktop version. Once you enable, now you have to tap on this create tab. So it will take you to the creation tab, creation dashboard. In so first you have to be in the experiences and tap on this image. Now if you want to create a game pass, then you have to tap on this menu button, and now the list will open here. So you have to tap on this associate item. So you will find passes in associate items. Now you can see that there are three tabs: passes, developers, products, and badges. So definitely you will find the game passes in passes. Now if you want to create a game pass, you have to tap on this create a pass button. Tap on it. Now it will take you to this form where you have to upload the image first. The image should be in the JPG, PNG, and BMP format. So you have to enter the name of the game pass. You can leave this description empty, but you can enter the description up to 1000 characters. And now you have to tap on this create pass. Once you once you fill this form and upload the image of the game pass, once you create a pass button, your game pass will be created. So suppose this is my newly created game pass, and this is the newly created game pass I have created. So once you create a game pass, your game pass will be listed here. So just tap on the newly created game pass and it will take you to its basic settings. Now you have to tap on this 3 bar option. So if you want to configure in the previous version, basically after a new update the interface has changed, but in the previous version the configure option is usually enabled next to the game pass, but after new update it has completely changed. So you have to if you want to configure it for the sale, then you have to follow these steps. Now tap on the sales and you can enable the item for the sale by enable this just enable the toggle button, and you can enter the price of the game pass in Robux. So as you know that the creators will get 70% of the price, so you will get 28 if you set 40. Now you have to tap on this save changes. Suppose I want to change this price to 50. Let's do that and tap on save changes. Now your game pass has been set up for the sale. Now you can set this you can add this game pass in your please donate game and put it up for the sale. So if any user purchase your game pass, the game pass will be act as a, or it will be used as a donation button in the please donate. So if you add these game pass in please donate, so if any user purchase any game pass or any donation button, you will be easily able to get Robux for free in please donate. So that's how it works. That's how the donation works in the please donate. So the main purpose of the game pass is basically to sell it as a donation button in the please donate. So hope you like it, hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you want to know how to add these game passes in please donate, you can watch the video. I will give the link in the description, so you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.